everyone, I am Krishna. As we have learned in the previous video about the basic things of Scratch, today we will be doing a short program. In this, we will let's do a animation. So let's open the Scratch. If you haven't seen my previous video, kindly please watch it. I will provide the description. I will provide the link of my previous video in the description. So let's open a new. File. Let's create a small animation. So I will create a small animation about a cat and a mouse or a bat playing football. Okay, I will name this program football. Okay, we have the cat, so let's take the background. As we are playing football, we need a football background. Okay, this looks good. The saucer too. So let's add our another sprite which will be playing football. So what sprite we will choose? We have already chose the cat sprite. Now we have to choose another sprite which is okay for playing football. Okay, it is the goalkeeper. So let's make this catcher goalkeeper. Or as there is no space for goals, let's make this catcher a sprite which be playing football. So let's change the costume of the sprite. What are the costumes of the sprite? Okay, this sprite is not good for the football, so let's check another sprite. So let's search for animals. As the cat is also an animal, so another animal will be playing with cat. Okay. Let's choose the nail pony. Okay, now let's go to costumes. We have to just flip. Okay, now it's good. And we have to make another sprite which is the football. So let's search for football. Search for sports. There are balls. So voila, we got the soccer ball. So let's place it here. Place it in the middle. Okay. Now we will make the animation with program. So let's make this sprite. Go to events. When green flag clicked. So why I am using green flag is, as I have told in the previous video, green flag is always necessary to run program in Scratch. So let's use it. Okay. Now when we don't need to click anything. So if we click anything, it should run. We don't need that as it is an animation. So it is automatically done. Okay. When the green flag click, motion move 50 steps. Okay, now let's see what it does. Okay, now it's going far and far. So we have to adjust that it only kicks the ball to the net only and then returns to this place. So 50 is not enough. Let's click 100. So now let's check if it is touching the ball. No, it's not. And we have to fix the position. This x is equal to minus 81, y is equal to minus 53. So let's make it. Go to x 53. It's okay. It's not returning as we have seen. So let's make this move under the repeat. Repeat until. Okay, so we will choose 50 and then in this repeat until block we will use the sensing, touching the soccer ball. So let's see what it does. It stops. Okay, it doesn't go this much. So we want it to go back here. After it touches the football, we wanted it to go back here and the football will go to the net only. Okay, now let's make it. I think the repeat until it's not enough for this, so let's choose another. Go to events. Let's use forever. Then if then touching soccer ball. Then we need it to come back. So let's add it. Then we have to make it go to x minus 81, y minus 53. So let's go to motion again. Let's take the go to one. So now check. Now let's check how it is going. As we have clicked the forever one, it is going again and again. So let's remove the forever loop. Now let's check how it is working. Okay, it's not going back. Let's make this go to minus 53. Let's make it 150. So now let's check it. it's not working. So I think it's touching the soccer ball. That's why, um, as I have given, if touching the soccer ball, go to here. Then let's go to soccer ball. Let's take the green flag clicked and go to control. In the control, we will take if and then we will take the touching sprite one. Then go. Let's check how much is there. How much gap is there between nail pony and sprite one? Nail pony is way too bigger than gap. So let's make it 75. Much better. Now let's again go to soccer ball. Now let's see how much far is the nail pony. Move. Let's first check the 150 steps. Click the green flag. Something is going on. So the ball is not moving. So let's make it. Let's change the program little bit. Let's move it. See, it is not going back. So our program is working well, but it is very instant. That's why it seemed to not working. So let's make it wait. So let's make it wait for 2 seconds. Let's say this. Let's see if it's working. It's working. But as we have seen, it is taking too much. So let's check the 1 second. Okay, let's check the 0.9. I think it is the better. Yes, it's better. Then we need to make the ball go towards the knee pony. Okay, then let's go to motion. Then we will take wait, we will take 0.5 seconds. So 0.5 set, then motion, go to nail pony. Let's add the if condition, if and then let's add while in this and add if here, go to sensing, touching, sprite one. It is not going to nail pony. Okay, now let's make it go. Let's remove this go to. Let's make motion, move 200 steps. Now let's check it if it works. Yes, it is working. But the problem is that as it is pointing towards the nail pony, it is going here. So we don't need 200, we only need 180 and remove the point towards action. Okay, now let's check how it's going. Okay, yes, it has gone here. We have to make it go to -1 always. So let's check it out. Yeah, it's going okay, feeling better, but as it's moving from here to here, I think it's taking like this. We need to make it like this, going near the knee pony's leg. So let's make it 170. Let's check it out now. No, it's not going. I think some problem is there. The cat is coming, but the ball is not going. Let's make it bounce. Let's make it bounce. So okay, now it's not working. I think we need 175. That's why it is not working. So let's enter this. It's taking too much to wait. I think this bright one is not touching. Yeah, it's touching, then it should go. So I think we need to make bounce it. Yes, we need to let's remove this if, go to X, then take if then go to sensing, touching, mouse pointer to sprite one. Then let's get it. Let's take the if on edge bones. Touching the sprite one, go to the nail pony we need. So let's take this. Yeah, it's working. Let's make it to nail pony. If on edge, then bounce. Okay, now let's see. It's not going, so remove this if on edge. Yes, it's going to nail pony. So by default, it is going to this. So we need to make something else. I think we need to make it more smaller. Now it's smaller. Let's see how does it goes. Yes, it goes there. Yes. Okay. Now after goes to nail pony, we need to make it go to X. Okay, we need it to go here at minus 79. Here minus 75 162. Okay, now let's check it out. Minus 75. Okay, now let's check it. As the ball is here, it's not working, the cat is not going. So let's see why the cat is not going. It should go here. It's coming here only. So the problem is that the soccer ball is not coming here. Go to, let's change it to minus 2 and let's change it to 18. So now let's check it. Yes, it is going there, and we want the sprite back to original position. So random position goes, then goes. I think we need to make a sprite so when it touches the wall, come to the sprite. Like when we did in soccer ball, go to the nail pony. So let's make a sprite, or so let's make a sprite, paint it ourselves. So let's take it, color save. It should be dark. Okay, now let's make it. Let's take a brush. So this is our sprite, or let's make it more smaller. Okay, now where is it? Okay, it has hidden in here. Let's go to code. Come here. So let's go to sprite 1. Remove this minus 81. Minus 81 y minus 46. We go to here. Events. When the green flag click. Motion. Go to visit minus 81 y minus 53. Okay, let's change it. Minus 81 minus 53. Okay, let's check if it's correct. Okay, it's 181. I misprinted. No problem. We can change it. Now as we have changed it, let's make it a forever loop. So it doesn't go anywhere else. Okay, now let's see. Yes, it kicks and goes to here ponies here, but the sprite one is not getting back. So let's, as we have made the sprite 2, the green one will already go. Let's okay, it's a good camouflage dot. So let's make it go to, okay, it's going to minus 181 minus 53. So let's change it. Let's pause it and let's see which is which. Okay, minus 208. Minus 208 we have entered, and it's minus 173. Good. 73 entered. Okay, now forever it will stay here only. Now let's go to sprite. As we have used in soccer balls program of go to knee pony, let's add it to sprite 1. Go to the sprite 2. Okay, it's the wrong sprite. Let's make it go to sprite 2. So let's check if it's running. Great. Okay, now it's hitting and it wants to, the sprite wants to stay there only, so let's make it stay there. Now we have to go to soccer ball, that it has to move continuously in between them, and after waiting after 15 seconds, the both cat will say let's stop, and the name pony will also say let's stop. So then both characters will stop and everything will be stopped. Okay, now let's make it aside. Okay, now as we have done forever, let's go to control forever loop. In the forever we have to add continuously go to sprite 1 and nail pony. Duplicate. So also we have to make to go to sprite 1. So let's check it how it goes. As we have run the forever loop, it should go here. I think we need another forever. So let's stop it. Let's put it aside and this aside. When the green flag clicked. Okay, now it's going in the mouth of the sprite 1. Okay, it's sticking. Okay, now it's sticking it. So we want it here. Then we have to duplicate it. Okay, now let's stop it. Now as we have seen, it's sticking in its mouth here. So we want it here. So its x is equal to 8. And its y is equal to 89. Good. So let's check it works. Yes, it works. Absolutely works. Now let's green flag click, pause it, duplicate, remove this, add this. So now let's check how it works. Yes, it is going to here. Then we need to copy this forever. Take another green flag and now take this like this. Yes, it's coming back. It's coming back. Okay, now as it's forever comes back, we need it to repeat this forever and this forever. Repeat until. We need the repeat until. Okay. Repeat until. So let's make 2 forevers. Let's delete this block. Delete 3 blocks. Okay, now let's add it. Make a repeat until forever and another forever loop. Okay, forever loop added. Now we have to repeat until both the characters says let's rest or stop. Let's stop. So we need to make the both characters stop. So if we want to make the both characters stop, when they say let's stop, So we need to add a loops in which it will be telling let's stop. Say so after all this, just a minute, let's add a green flag click. We don't need this for soccer ball. We need this for Ney Pony. Ney Pony and Sprite one. Okay, now let's add. When this sprite clicked, say hello. No, we don't want the hello. Let's rest for some time as we have added it. It will be stays for 2 seconds. No, it's not working. Yes. As we have done, when this sprite click, let's rest for some time for 2 seconds. And when the same we want for Ney Pony, so events. When this sprite clicked, looks say let's rest for some time. Okay, now it's good, feels good. Sometime exclamatory mark. Okay, for 2 seconds. Now let's start. Let's rest for some time. It also let's rest for some time. And we need to add stop all. Stop all. Now let's check. Let's run them. Let's rest for some time. Okay, it stops all. It stops all literally. Okay, as we have seen, the ball is not moving here and there. So we need to go here. However, let's remove this repeat sentence. We don't need now. Okay, now we need to wait them for a minute. Or a minute is way too big. 1.5. This 1.5 is better. This will make them wait for some time and then go. Or let's see. Yes. So it's going there. As you have seen, it's going there and going there. Then we'll says let's rest for some time. But as we have seen, it's only comes when we have clicked. Okay, so we need it to go constantly until we click, or after it does soccer ball. Okay, after this happens, let's just pause some time. We need a broadcast message. broadcast message. Let's rest for some time. Now it says let's rest for some time. The ball goes here. But as you have seen, the broadcast message is not coming. So the message is not broadcasting. So let's here. Let's make the ball say let's rest. So say let's rest for some time. Now it says let's rest for some time. Then we want everything to stop. We want this stop all. Now let's see. It goes there and go there. Let's rest for some time and stops all. Everything is done. So as we have learned how to make a small tiny animation of one cat, the default sprite of Scratch, and one nail pony, another pony from Scratch, play football. If you like this video, please comment, and also don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Don't forget to share this video with others. If you haven't seen this video or the previous video, I will be making a playlist, and I will mm, give the link of the playlist in the description, where I will upload all my Scratch tutorials. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.